outside. I study in class 3C, roll number 47 in Kendra Vidyalaya number 2 SPN. Today I am going to give a speech on camel. A camel is called the ship of the desert because it can walk across the desert even on a hot afternoon. The sand burns, but it does not bother. A camel can run on the sand at 25 kilometers an hour. The camel has thick and padded feet. The hot sun does not burn its feet. A camel can drink 200 bottles of water at a time. A camel can store water for a week and food for 2 weeks in its hump. A camel eats lots of food at a time. It eats leaves and thorny bushes in the desert. That's why the camel is called the ship of the desert. Thank you, ma'am.